Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. If you're first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel to get latest update from Fusion Action Learning. In today's demo, we are going to cover one more requirement. If there is any workflow failure related to purchase order or any other workflow notifications, how you can use the feature called transaction console, and you can terminate or you can recover the failed notifications. So to go to the transaction console, you have to go to the navigator. Within the navigator, you have to go to the tools, and within tools, you have to go to the transaction console. Now this feature is most awaited feature where you have the complete visibility. If there's any notification fails, you can go, you can validate, you can download the logs, you can click on the document, and once you click on the document, you have the option, you can either terminate the process or you can recover the process. You can download the diagnostic logs as well for the to raise the SR as well. Now, if you click on cancel, you can see that there are a couple of options: auto recovery, completed draft, field in progress, stuck, submitted. You can view all notification related to within Fusion application over here. You can search with the process name, as well as priority, submitted by person number. You can do that. There are options available. So if you click on the analytics, so currently there is no analytics available. You can create the analytics dashboard. If you click on the approval rules, you can see there are a lot of rules available where if you want to change or update any rule, you can do that from the window. So this feature is very useful. If any notification fails, you can recover, you can resubmit, you can terminate the notification from this window. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Action Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.